Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question how do you know if your earbuds LG TONE Free are charging? And we can know it by this LED light on the front side. You need to connect your earbuds with a cable and start to charging your earbuds. So put your cable to USB-A port or USB-C port or into adapter and adapter to the power, and then right here on the front side we have this LED light right here, but it meaning that your charging case are charging. So you cannot check it for the earbuds because these earbuds have no LED light for the charging. And the only way is to open LG TONE Free application and check the difference between these battery percentages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!